coming home. Any place we wander to, any season we go.
All right, what's up, guys? Check out these giant sea lions right here. I am on a delivery cruise right now. We're taking a 40-foot catamaran from San Francisco, California, all the way up to Seattle. I had this opportunity. I reached out to Captain Jack with Deliveries Northwest and asked if he needed crew or help on any deliveries, and he ended up reaching back out to me. It was a pretty cool opportunity. Unfortunately, Kinsey couldn't come. The captain just doesn't feel safe bringing two inexperienced people, and by inexperienced we mean offshore. So we're going to be sailing offshore for 5 days, periodically maybe stopping into a port if we need to. Yeah, it's a hell of an opportunity for me. So there'll be 3 of us. We'll be running 3 hours on, 6 hours off. I'll give you the details as we go, but Oracle Park is right there. That's downtown San Francisco. I've actually never been to San Francisco, so this is pretty awesome. I'm pretty thankful for this opportunity. It's departure day, so we're gonna wash the boat, top off the water, the fuel's topped off. We gotta go get provisions at the grocery store. So we're gonna do that this morning and then probably head out sometime this afternoon. It's been blowing like 20-25 knots since I got here yesterday, so it's been ripping. Forecast shows that it's supposed to slow down a little bit, which would be nice. Yesterday was a little awkward. I didn't actually film that much because I was the new guy just showing up. I was trying to take in as much information as he was giving me, and so I wasn't trying to have the camera out the whole time, but hopefully I become more comfortable pulling the camera out, show you guys another adventure here on the Lost Compass. Thanks for watching.
I wanna wander out of the valley where the river takes us far away from home. Time to ponder in the fields around me where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your stuff.
Cleaning the boat before we get going. Start off with a clean boat. Captain's orders.
Ready, set, go?
Yep.
Okay.
So we're trying to figure out how many gallons or liters per hour that these Yanmars burn, so we can calculate how much fuel we have on board and how much extra fuel we'll need for jerry cans. So the captain's kind of calculating that right now. There's 2 onboard Yanmar 30 horsepower diesel engines, so that's what we're doing right now, is just calculating that we have enough fuel before we head off.
You hit 3,000 RPM, you're at 8. Here's the gallons, so if I was at 8, I'm still at 2.11, but that's what we were saying, 6 knots. So 200 miles, if we can hit 6 knots, let's just say 5 knots, it's 40 hours.
That's kind of what you guessed in the beginning.
So there's 40 hours of run time, and if I'm burning 80 gallons on board, I mean, that just gives me 80, that's 40 gallons.
Yeah,
I mean, it's just
40 hours.
Yeah, 40 hours.
provision for 5 days, right?
That's supposed to last us 5 days.
Oh yeah.
That's plenty of food.
Such a cool area, man. This harbor right here, Pier 40 down here in San Francisco. It's pretty sick, right downtown. Beautiful spot. I'm kind of getting excited though to get going, get offshore. It's been cool to kind of hang out in the city a little bit though. We just walked kind of downtown, walked to the grocery store, and then got all the groceries. But I guess he kind of breaks it down like $25 a day per person, so $75 a day approximately for 5 days is kind of what he guesses for food. The math worked out, and yeah, I'm just headed to get a cart right now. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour here of this 40-foot catamaran. So here's kind of the lounge area, big table, cockpit. There's the helm station up here. This is where I'll be doing the watches. So got good viewpoint for the sails. See forward good, and yeah, I'll just let you guys look forward here. The deck space on this thing is so cool, and everything's ran aft. So like your main halyards, this is your traveler. All 3 reef points are from there. This is an electric winch. These 2 are just regular. But here's your jib sheets right here. Everything is ran aft. It's pretty sick. Okay, going down. So inside here, refrigerators, freezers, storage. This is actually a dishwasher, microwave, espresso machine, cooktop. All of our charts and information will be from here. VHF, all that stuff. So as we go down, this is one of the heads. Pretty awesome. This is one of the berths. The port side aft berth, and then this is my berth. Tons of room, super comfy. Yeah, skylight. And then here's the other side. Full shower, full berth there. Captain's quarters. It's a pretty awesome boat. I'm pretty stoked to get going offshore with it. But for now, I gotta put all of our groceries away. Captain's picking up some more jerry cans, and yeah, I gotta start putting stuff away. I'm free. the marina, and we might go anchor up for a little bit before we get going this evening up in Drake's Bay. And it's a good anchorage, and I guess we can hang out there for a little bit and keep watching the weather. So that's what we're doing right now. We're coming up on Alcatraz up here, just going by the San Francisco skyline. It's pretty awesome. Really, really cool. Down right now. It's not my shift yet. Try not to get seasick. Try not to throw up all this pizza I just ate. Other than that, doing good. Stopping here in Drake's Bay for a little bit. We're gonna make some dinner, and then we're gonna push on back out around this. Start our shifts. My first shift is from 6 to 9 p.m. Okay, just started my first shift. We're doing like 8 knots though, which is awesome. We got wind right in our face, so we're not throwing up any sail right now. 12 knots of true wind speed. And yeah, we're just cruising. The ocean's starting to get big. Blowing about 17, 18 knots. Probably 4 to 6 foot swells. pizza I ate or what, man? If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Tune in next week to see if things improve for this greenhorn sailor.
What will we do with a drunken sailor? What will we do with a drunken sailor? What will we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises early in the morning. Shave his belly with a rusty razor, shave his belly with a rusty razor, shave his belly with a rusty razor early in the morning. Way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she